Hey everybody, in this video we are going to solve the exponential equation you see on your screen right now. This style of exponential equation has the appearance of a quadratic equation. It is structured just like a quadratic equation. So this particular example, if I were to use the structure I just wrote here in blue, but I'm going to let the x turn into an e to the x, what will that look like? Well, what will happen is the following. Basically, you will end up with a times e to the x squared plus b times e to the x plus c equals 0. And when you raise something that's already raised to a power, still raise it to a power, property of exponents, we're going to multiply those powers. So we have a times e, x times 2 is 2x, plus b times e to the x plus c, some constant, is 0. So that right there is the structure, which is very, very close to what we see right here, where the a is 1 right there, the b is -3 right there, and the c is 2 right there. So we're going to go ahead and solve this by factoring, just like we would if it were an ordinary quadratic equation. So I'm not going to show factoring by grouping. I'm not going to show the full AC method. I'm just sort of going to dive into it. So if you need help with factoring, that is a separate topic, and you will be able to find a playlist on my channel of how to factor if you are in need of that. So here I'm going to go to the double bubble, e to the x. 2 is prime, the only even prime. So it's pretty straightforward. And the fact that a is 1 makes this one easier. They're both going to be minus, there we go, zero product property. E to the x minus 1 equals 0. E to the x minus 2 equals 0. E to the x equals 1. If I take, really, you could do this one in your head, like e to what power is 1 when x is 0, done. Also, if you took the ln of each side, the natural log of each side, ln, right there, that you get x, right? X equals the natural log of 1, and the natural log of 1 is 0. So whatever way you do it, you're going to get x equals 0 right over there. And then over here, you will get e to the x equals 2. Now in this situation, you know, it's less straightforward. Take the natural log of both sides. X comes out front. ln of e, or natural log of e, is 1. X equals, I'm going to leave that as natural log of 2. E to what power is 2? It's going to be something less than 1, but as of right now, we are good to go. If I were plugging these answers back into a logarithmic equation to start, I would definitely check for extraneous solutions. But since the domain of an exponential equation is all real numbers, I don't really need to check for extraneous because these are good to go. So hopefully that helped you out. If they're smart, happy, and mathy and you know it, thumbs it up. If not, thumbs down. Check the playlist in the description for more. Adios.